On the slopes of Arrayán, Chile, an old house finds new life through a deliberate approach. Rather than demolishing the existing structure, Iván Bravo's Tam House uses the building's history as a foundation to create spaces more relevant to today's needs. The result is a home that speaks not only of renewal, but also of how architecture can honor the passage of time. From a distance, the house appears simple, its metal cladding forming a bold, monolithic figure. Its shape follows the slope of the land, allowing the building to adapt to the natural contours of the land. This approach makes the house feel at one with the surrounding landscape, as if it grew naturally from the slope on which it sits. Entering the interior, a different atmosphere is immediately apparent. The main space is designed to be open and bright, with a strong visual connection to the garden behind the house. Natural light flows through the large openings, creating a warm and calming atmosphere. Each space feels connected, allowing for a smoother and more flexible flow in daily life. The heart of the house is the communal area, which unites the living, dining, and gathering areas into a harmonious composition. The increased height of the spaces creates a sense of expansiveness, while the materials used convey an honest and natural character. This house doesn't attempt to hide its transformation, but rather celebrates it as part of its design identity. In various corners of the interior, traces of the old building can still be found. Distinct textures, preserved structures, and carefully inserted new elements create a dialogue between past and present. Rather than creating a uniform space, this approach creates a rich and narrative layering of experiences. Private areas are positioned with the comfort of all family members in mind. Bedrooms have access to natural light and views of the surrounding environment, while a shared workspace creates a conducive space for study and creative pursuits. Every part of the house is designed to support family life as it evolves over time. Tam's house demonstrates that the best renovations aren't about erasing what once existed, but rather about finding new ways to imbue it with meaning. Through a blend of old structures, contemporary interventions, and a strong connection to the landscape, this house demonstrates how architecture can honor history while opening up new possibilities for the future.